Hello and welcome back to the channel HardReset.Info, and today I will show you how to change a Gmail address name. So firstly, of course, we need to open the Gmail application on our device, and then you want to enter the menu in your upper left corner, and then click Settings. Then you want to select the account you're using. If you have more than one, I have just one, so and then click your info, privacy, and here in the section personal info, you can see basic information about yourself, and here you can see your name. This is basically the name that appears when you're sending some emails. So you need to keep in mind that this is not an email address, it's just address name. So the name of your emails when you write. So I think you get it. So to change your name, you just need to click on it, and now you can edit your name, and then when you're done, save changes by clicking save button. So that's how you change Gmail address name. I hope this video helps, and if so, please leave your thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. See you later. Bye bye.